Hey guys, welcome back to week 2. In this session, we're going to do a lab. So we're going to talk about stacks and queues this week. So we're going to create a way to use a stack. So we in the lecture we talked about how to push it. So remember how about appending the stack and how to use the keyword pop in order to take the information out of the stack. So let's go ahead and create some code here. So let's do a variable, call it letters equals. We'll do an open close bracket, and this will be our stack. So this is using a array variable, and then we'll do enter. We'll do var word equals. We'll do race car, and I'll explain why. And we'll use something different in a short bit here. All right, then we'll do. Let's see here. Then we'll do var r word equals our word. Well, actually make it reverse word. Equals nothing. Now, what we want to do is put the letters of the word into the stack. So what we could do here is we could do a for. We'll use a for loop. We'll say variable I equals 0. So start at 0. And we'll say when I is less than the word that we have up here as race car, dot the length. So we want to capture the length of it to know when to stop. And then we'll do an I++ that just iterates the I string variable loop. And then we'll say we'll say letters dot push. We'll do word I and close here, and we'll put the variable I in here. Fix that up. Let me save this real quick. All right, let's see here. We'll call it stack.js. All right, cool. All right, so now we need to do a pop off the stack in reverse order. So the race car, when we do this, the put, which is the adding of the records, it's going to grab these values and that was pretty loud. It's going to grab these values and an index value. Whoa, there's like a bird attack here. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be the variables there. So when we do put the letters in a word in a stack trace, what it's going to do is loop around. It's going to take this race car and it's going to put it, so it's going to push those values in there into letters. So letters right now is the stack, and it's nothing. We have a word here. We're going to loop through and say, hey, let's put these in one by one. So it'll do RACECAR. Okay, so it's going to grab those values in there. But after we have them in place, we want to use the pop variable. We want to take them out. Okay, so let's do this. We could probably copy and paste this and then change it a little bit. So let's paste this in here. And we'll say for I equals 0, or the length, same thing, I++. This one's going to be a little bit different here. So we're going to say reverse word plus equals letters dot pop, because we want it to pop. Here it wasn't doing that because we had it in word. So now we want to take the pop from letters. We want them to be reversed. Now we'll do a little conditional statement here. So we want to check for two different things. We want to check if it's a palindrome, meaning this is a palindrome because, let's see here, race car is RACECAR. If we spell it backwards, it spells the same thing. If we had dad in there, it'd be the same thing. Mom in there, same thing. And race car, same thing. All right, so let's do this. Let's type in if reverse word equals word. I'm gonna let you guys run this on your own without me running with it. And you could do console.log word plus is a palindrome. Oops. Or, okay, else we could do this and do console.log word plus is not a palindrome. And so how this works is, we know that's going to be it. But if we had Steelers in here, spelled backwards, that's not going to work. So I want you guys to take this code, because this code will work, and I want you guys to go ahead and save it in your JavaScript. Open up in Chrome, do right-click, inspect, and run it through that. So if I would pull out a new version of Chrome, I want you guys to save it. I want you guys to go into inspect. I want you to go into the console. Well, this is just on this page. Once you pull up the console of what you're looking for, sources in here, and run the code and see if it works. So getting back to this is your code for an example of a stack. And the next thing that we'll talk about is a queue. Okay. Questions, you know how to reach me on Slack. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.